At a restaurant. So look at this beautiful. Look at him. It's so beautiful. On Roblox, of course. If you're wondering what this game is, it's called Supermarket Simulator. Let's see. But it's kind of like the TCG Simulator, but it's a supermarket. Oh, I have $200. I'm retchy retchy. Um, well, but $8 for pasta. Okay. How do I? Oh, flour and isa lang na flour. Oh my God, dugi ako dyan. Ito. Ano ko yan? How do I? Oh! Bigla click ko lang. May ano pala dyan sa ibaba. So, okay. Okay. Whoa, we're gonna price it. We're gonna price it $100. $100,000. Fine. Ano na lang? Average cost 65 cents. I mean, you can't go wrong with $1 for flour. Bro, it's $1 for flour. Like, bro, it's literally so cheap. Is it open? Oh, yeah. Whoever comes to this restaurant, I mean supermarket, will get a plushie. Okay. Hey, cutie. Ha, pogi mo ah. Rate ko siya grocery. Rate ko siya 6. Ayan na. Isang flower lang. Ay, dalawa pala. Ay, dami ah. Ayan, nag-learn pa ako sa math. Hindi ako marunong mag-change, guys. Aminin ko na. Ay, credit card. Thank you. Parang hindi na ako maarapan. Wow, that's how you happy, quick, and pay. Oh, okay. I thought he was saying hate. No, why cash? I must be in. I cannot read all this. Why did you pay me $20 for just $1? Oh my God, this guy is. Why did bro give me? Oh my God, he gave me $20 for a single dollar. Oh my God. Okay. $2. Thank you. There was also like I don't wanna read all this. What do I do now? Wala na akong Magabili ulit tayo. Bilhin na natin lahat. Boom, boom, boom. $16.95 yan. Bam, bam. Uy. I don't care. It's for the best. We have so many now. Oh, sino nag-deliver niyan? Learn your manners, bro. JK. Kid pala ako. Oh, the price is $99. 99 cents. Let's make it $2. $2. It can be that bad, right? $2. Don't complain. Oh, di pa. Nag-ano pa nga ako set up. Bigla kayo na Oy, close nga. Mag-ano pa ako set up. Oh my God. Alis. Are you kinda rich? Can I have your number? $6. Call me. $6 lot sila. Okay. I'm not even gonna say anything. Let's go! Get out of here! Okay. Let's get our boxes. Let's, inubos nyo na yung mga ano ko. Oh. Tinan mo, inubos na yung ano. Kakapot ko lang nga. Oil. Now, we'll make it like 2. How do I? Wait. 2.50. Yeah. You can't go wrong with oil being $2. A bread. I'll get $1 too. Don't complain. It's a $1 bread. I don't care. Cheerios. That's not my favorite cereal. Di man kami nag-eat ng cereal for average cost. Ibig sabihin, gawin na natin 4.50. Yan. Galing ang deal ko. Comment guys na galing ang deal ko or hindi. Kasi di man ako alam kung manage ng money. Hindi ko alam. Ganyan pa rin. $1. Ay, pogi mo ah. Okay. Ano to? Noodles? Ay, pasta. $1 ulit. Di ako why am I stuttering? Open. What's the point of this? Di man sila nagkuha. Okay. Uy, may ano pala? Oh! Ay! May ano pala? Wala naman money. Yan yung pangit mo te. Mataba ka. Kung payat ka ko na ano. Maganda ko na ko na. Cheerios and pasta. Nice one. 9. There you go. Bye-bye. Ang dami mong binakol. 3. Boom. Bye-bye. Kambal kayo, te. Sana yes. Iba yung lahat. Kambal yan, Bye-bye. I feel like this was my red carpet. Orte. Asa yun? Oh, yeah. Oy! Balance. Ang customer natin, 11 lang. Yeah, buy master. Buy, oil. Isa lang mag-buy ng oil? Bakit? Expensive ba yan? $2 lang nga eh. Gusto yung flour. Okay, next. Ay, gana avatar mo. Hindi, dyan sa likod mong babae. 16. Boom. Hi, girl. Like your avatar. 12. Ay, wala. Huh? Ay, 50 cents. I'm so dumb. See, I'm not good at managing money. And even math. Shopping done, I'm not reading all that. 9.50. Guna abotor mo. Pero bakit ka yan ang skin color mo. Dapat yung original color lang. That takes away the aura. 11.50. Nahingal na ako sa ano niya. Okay. Then come here again. Ubus na lahat. May iba pang ano? What? Paano ako shop level 3? Are you serious? Wow, why? Bili ko na lahat. Bam. Ano naman? It's for the best. Just believe in me. Saan yung Cheerios? Dito. Parehas man din. Wait lang guys. Wait lang. Hingal ka. Sabi ko nga, hingal. Maubos na lagod yung ano ko. Kakapot ko lang nga eh. Ito, gutumon ka. Oh my God. Ay, 50 cents pala. Akala ko ito yung ano. Change, scammer. Umalis ko dito. Never back again. Saan yung flower di? Dahil sa baba. $1. Perfecto. Ay, mali pala yung pagput ko. Ay, that's okay. Where's the chill? Asan yung ano? Saan yung ano pasta? Ito na lang. Bread. Custom dollar? Lo, nasa road na ini Grabe kayo sa akin. Sa taas. Ano kaya yan? Cane sugar? Bell candy? Or sugar lang yan? Yes, queen. Yes. Let's go. Open. It's open. Ano na? Wala na mag-ano? Kanina ang gutom-gutom niya. Ayan, si Mr. Poggy. Dami ba nakala? These prices are so low, I'm worried. Ano? Wait, over the nonsense. Free? Sige daw, gawin ko daw $100 yun. You're so mean. Malis kayo dyan pag din-respect nyo ang ano ko. This price grabe kayo sa akin. They're saying that my prices are so cheap. I don't care. What if I make them $100? Kayo naman mag-complain. Ayan, 50 cents mo. Wala ka ng ano. 20.50. Hi. Ay, may CCTV kami. Hindi ko nakikita. Ay. It's faster than me to do. Can y'all shut the heck up? Oh my God. 13.50 boom. 7. Wait lang. Ang bilis niya mag-ano. Pinapahirapan mo pa ako mag-change. Pwede ka na magbigay sa akin ng $10. Oh my God, pinapahirapan pa ako. So, wala niya naman. Wait lang! Oh my God, pinapahirapan niya ako. Wait lang, close muna. Paano kasi guys, I'm laying down right now. It's hurting my back. Wala! Dali naman tabaon ka, kaya pala nagabili ka. 8.5. Get the heck out of here. Ouch! My arms. Naubos na. By the way, if you want to do part 2, well then subscribe. subscribe and like the video. I will do like part 2 on 50 views.